So one of the things we're working on that's quite fun is, can you remake Game of Thrones as a J-Drama from Korea? So you input it and the characters turn Korean, right?
Wow.
I'm also trying to get George R.R. Martin and H.F.F.O. to let me remake Game of Thrones Season 8, because it was terrible. And actually, it's very interesting why. Because Game of Thrones Season 1 to 7, everyone had agency, and the meaning was in the interaction between our stories of the characters. Whereas the last one tried to get us to an ending, and so it felt so disjointed. So I'm like, I'll help you write your book. We have the script writing AI coming out and a book writing AI coming out. And so we can tell better stories that are more empathetic and engaging. Because again, this is more engaging for the thing. You can customize your thing everywhere. You can customize to every learner. How crazier is that? And there's even crazier.
All at once. That's our new theme. Aman, let's imagine you're in the audience here. You're a business owner, entrepreneur, CEO, and what do you do next?
I think what you have to do next, again, is kind of what you said. You need to have a dedicated, there's nothing more important in your entire business than this.
Yeah. So I want to echo that, right? Today, the world changes. Electricity is made available, the telephone is made available, internet's made available, and this is all of those things together all at once everywhere.
Yeah, this is 5G. This is bigger than 5G. Over $1 trillion went into 5G, more will go into here. Actually, I'll give you an example, because again, it's always the unchanging versus the inevitable, right? I gave the whole of Stability AI the week off at the end of the year.